Hey guys, Paper Sloth VG here, back making another video. Actually, this is my first video. You don't even know, hater. I'm black. Minecraft Hardcore Episode 1. Let's do this. Plains biome, something like that. Punching grass. FOV's at 90, you know what it is. Sheep? Who needs a bed? Water? Who needs hydration? You know what I'm saying. Episode 1. Season 1. Let's do this. Running across the land. Who needs sheep? Sheep's for losers. Pussies. You know what I'm saying. Vulgar. I know. Because I'm black. Sheep, who needs sheep? Over here we got some lag. Experiencing some lag. Hopefully episode 2 I won't have my file corrupted. You know how it is. Hey chicken. You're a lot better than sheep. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? A cave. A cave. Dirt. Let go. Random dirt placement, you know, hater. Hardcore, you know how it is. Gotta make some tough decisions. And one of those decisions is trying to find a good place to live so that we won't get raped. You know how it is? I think this is a good place to live, guys. Let's collect some stone. This will be the first place where we're gonna hunker down and try to survive the night. No creepers will come around. I don't think we're gonna have some pretty good shelter here. When it comes down to it, I have a pretty good computer. I've updated my computer so that my files don't corrupt. Feeling pretty good about it. Yeah. Oh, and yep. File got corrupted. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys later.